The best way to find out if your home is suitable for solar is to call in an expert that your roof is perfect for solar. One of the objections that people that really would like to have solar, they understand the benefit from a business standpoint and or saving standpoint, but they just don't like the look of it. First of all, there are, depending on the scenario, ways where you can have solar installed in areas that is not in the front of the home or in an area that is just taken away from the appeal of the house. Second, that is a business decision, that personal decision rather. It does not look attractive, but it's saving me $500, $600, $700 a month. That's a decision that you'll have to make. I made that decision personally, saved a lot of money to have solar, even though it is not my favorite appeal and looking device on my roof, but it was a decision that I made. This is something you'll have to decide. One of the biggest misconceptions about solar is when it's cloudy out, when it's dark out, when there's no sun, or the sun is not powerful enough, that I'm not gonna get electricity, I'm not gonna get enough power to run my home. Well, here in Florida, we cannot operate off-grid, which means that all the power we get is from the utility company, regardless of how much our panels have produced that day, or that week, or that month. It's irrelevant. Actually, you can turn off your solar system, you'll still get your power in, you can still operate your AC, your lights, as if nothing has changed. At the end of the day, week, month, etc., there is an evaluation of how much you've received from the electrical company and how much you have been producing from the solar panels. And if you have produced more than what you have received from the electrical company, then not only you won't pay, but you get a little credit back that can be transferred to the next month. So, and that is why the way to evaluate is not only day by day, because some days can be very efficient for solar, some days might not. Just have to wait until for a certain period of time, month, 2 months, 3 months, and then see what really that system has done. The best way to find out if your home is suitable for solar is to call in an expert who runs an analysis to ensure that your roof is perfect for solar, not that you do not have any obstructions. Every home is very unique in nature. You can have 2 homes, one next to the other, but depending on how the roof slopes are facing, etc., that could make a big difference. It doesn't take long to find out if your house is suitable for it or not. And what I would recommend is give us a call, reach out, and we would love to send someone to come and do a free assessment to provide you with some answers just so you know where you stand.